So this is a big package. This is the headlights for the 2012 to 2014 R1. This one's I pay $127 free shipping. I was gonna buy the original OEM ones, but you're looking at around 600 bucks just for the headlights. So I'm gonna give this a try, see the condition of it, the quality, and basically almost is the same. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. It took 3 days to get here, so fast shipping. Props to this company. I don't know, Fire Dragon something. Anyways, I'm gonna open it. This is your regular box. Has some bubble wrap and foam wrap on it. Cover it. And then we got the headlights. So from first glance, I mean, they look identical to the R1 headlights. The 2012 to 2014 comes with everything, just missing the bulbs. It goes inside here. The lights, they take I think H7, so I'm gonna put some LEDs on it. So it has the covers, everything. Has the connectors inside, and for the little running lights on the front. Yeah, as you can see, it's not original OEM quality, but for the price, it's gonna look the same, and most of the people are not gonna notice. Nice headlight. So you guys wanna buy it, I recommend it, especially for the price. If you want to replace the headlight on your bike, or even if you want to swap just the nose fairing and the headlight, will fit the 2009 R1 to 2014 is the same, just replacing the headlight fairing and the headlight itself. That's all you need to replace in order to make it look more newer. So yeah, keep you guys posted on the next video on the fairings, and see you next one, and hopefully when the bike is done, do a quick walk around video.